Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have Sophia with me and we are going to do a little cooking activity. So today, Sophia, what are we going to make?
We're going to make some orange Jello.
We're going to make some orange Jello. And we're not just making Jello, but after we make the Jello, instead of just leaving it in the bowl, we are going to put it in a pan, and then we'll use cookie cutters later on in the video to make shapes. So I like doing this with kids because it can either take 2 sessions if you're a therapist to do it, or if you're a parent at home doing it, you can also, it's a short activity. To make it's really short, and then to get it out later and have fun with it and use the cookie cutters and make different shapes and stuff, then it's fun as well. And it can be split up into 2 different activities with your child as well. Okay, so today we're going to make some cookie cutout Jello shapes, and I'm just going to show you how you can provide aided language input while doing a fun cooking activity at home. The vocabulary that I'm going to provide aided language input on is the LAMP Words for Life vocabulary, and it's on the LAMP app that you can get on an iPad. Okay, Sophia, so we have made Jello before, so we knew that we need to have some bowls and a whisk, right? Okay. Thank you. What do you think we need to do first?
Put this in.
We need to open our box, don't we?
Open.
So let's open our box. And you're right.
Good.
We can go ahead and put it in our bowl. So you're struggling a bit, aren't you? Oops. So if your child was struggling at home too to do this independently, let them try to do as much as they can, because then that's a great opportunity if they are struggling to then prompt them that if they need help, they can request assistance as well during that activity. Help opening it or help putting it in. I think that it smells so good.
It does.
It does smell so good.
Good.
I bet it's gonna taste good too. All right, so after we've done this, we opened it, we put it in our bowl. Let's read the back of the instructions. Okay. Where's it on this side? I forget on this box. So yep, on the side, and you can always you can refer to it to teach them what the directions are on the box, but you could also write them out so that they're simpler instructions as well, for your child or your student as well. Okay, Sophia, so it says that we need to put in 1 cup of, oops, wrong word. Drink. Water. And we're going to make it 1 cup of hot water, it says.
Hot water?
Hot water. Hot boiling water. All right, so she is going to get the water for us.
I overflowed it. I think I got too much.
I think that you are right, that you got too much. So what do we need to do?
Dump some out.
Yep, what should we do? We should dump some out. All right, go ahead and just pour a little bit out in the sink. And then how, Sophia? How are we going to make it hot?
Put in the oven? Or the microwave?
Yeah, not the oven. We'll put it in the microwave. That way it gets hot quicker. Definitely, if you're doing the activity, like you just saw me do there, she was thinking, give them that process time. You know, you definitely want to, oops, wrong one. You always want to give them time to think and process what you're asking, and then even find the word on their system as well. So always do wait time. That's a good aided language input tool. That'll maybe be one of our Monday modeling tips coming up. All right, so our water's here, Sophia. And here's the 1 cup line.
We need to dump some more.
What do you think? Yep, we need to dump some more. So go dump some more out. There's your line. What do you think?
Dump some more.
You're right.
More.
You need to get some more out.
There's 1 cup.
All right. So you said that we need to put it in the microwave, right? All right.
So my mom's gonna put it in the microwave.
I am. I'm gonna help you out
Help.
because our microwave sits up too high, doesn't it? All right. So I turned our microwave on. And now we just have to wait for it to get hot, don't we? Yep.
And that means you should be patient.
Yes, it does. After it gets boiling hot, what are we going to do?
Put it in.
We are going to take it out in the microwave first, right? And then, yes, we will put it in here. And once it's in our bowl, I wonder what we should do next. After we add the water to the mix,
Maybe it might start stir
yep,
it.
we're gonna turn it, you could say.
Turn.
Or under turn are more cooking words in this vocabulary. So we could stir it.
It's
Or you
not.
could say it is. Or you could say that you're going to mix it up. All right, so we are going to take it out. And I wonder who should start up?
Me.
You seem pretty excited.
Turned on.
I know. You were pretty excited to say me, weren't you?
It smells like oranges.
I know. We talked about that, how it smells so good. And you're right. It does smell like the orange fruit. Okay, so as you've seen so far, I've been using a variety of words. We've talked about the good, how commenting with that. So different types of communication functions. I've been asking a lot of what questions. Oops, wrong one. I need a key guard. What questions, who or how questions as well. We've been doing a lot of verbs. She's been giving commands and then also requesting. So lots of different communication functions that we're working on so far. If your child just doesn't want to be doing it, they could even be doing some protesting, telling you to stop, or that they want to go away, or they don't want to do this right now because they may not like this part of it, and they may like the later part of it where we're going to use the cookie cutters more in the actual eating part. So, and that's okay too. All right, so
Stir it some more because I'm not really good at stirring though.
you are, I think that you are great at it.
Great.
So we're stirring it up. It says to stir for approximately 2 minutes, but until it is all dissolved, pretty much. And then we're gonna add in. We're gonna add in one more cup of water, and this time instead of hot, it is going to be cold. So you can also work on lots of adjectives if that's something that your child's working on too, with the hot and the cold, and with how it smells and everything. I think we're good. All right, so do you want to take the measuring cup? And can you put in one more cup of cold water? Go slow this time. Oh my, was up there. Oops.
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 It dropped and it broke. Yep, it broke. Oopsie daisy. Sorry, Mom.
Oh. I have a figurine piece that's above on our windowsill and it broke. And that's okay. Accidents happen. That's what hot glue is made for. All right, do you have a cup there?
Don't think it's one cup enough.
All right, so a nice way to do this is to always just put it on the countertop and then you come down and then you can see that it's level. And I think you did a pretty good job. First try and you got it. Okay, so what do you need to do with that cup of cold water?
Pour it in.
You are correct. Oops. We're gonna put it in. All right. Good job. Should we stir it fast, Sophie?
Fast.
Or should we do it slow?
Slow. Probably slow, because if we do it really fast, then it could probably squirt out.
You're right. You're thinking ahead. It could come out of the bowl and make a mess, right? But if you have a big enough bowl, you could do that too. Kind of make it fun and exciting for your child, because who doesn't want to start fast? So you can make it fun and you can go fast and tell them to go slow, or they can direct you and give you a command on how to start as well. I think Jojo wants back in.
Here.
Did you hear Jojo? She's our dog.
Yep, I think she wants in.
Can you go let her in real quick?
Sure.
Thank
You
you.
can start the rest for me, please.
Thank you. I will. I like how you said please. All right, so we're just gonna finish stirring this up so it's nice and dissolved. And then we're gonna add it to our pan. And to make sure that the Jello does not stick, yep, you can put it in the sink. We're gonna spray it a little bit. Oops. Would you like to spray it or do you want me to?
Let me try.
Okay. Pretty good. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more so that whenever we do our cookie cutter pieces later, they come out real nice. Okay, so now we're gonna pour slowly. Oops. Slowly into the pan.
It looks pretty orange.
It does look pretty orange. All right, now the directions. They tell us that we need to put it in the refrigerator.
Good.
And let it cool for 4 hours. Whew.
4.
It's gonna be a long time to wait, isn't it? So we're gonna put it in the fridge, let it wait for 4 hours, and then we will be cutting it up into cookie cutters. All right, little different shapes. All right, let's go put it. We're gonna go put it in the refrigerator. All right, so our Jello has chilled, hasn't it, Sophie?
Yep.
And Luke has woken up from his nap, so he's here for the second part. We have, you are right, look.
Look.
The orange Jello is ready for us to put our cookie cutters into it, isn't it? So we have picked out our cookie cutters. They got to tell me which ones they wanted to make into shapes.
And I got a beer, tulip.
You're right. I know. You need a key card so bad. You said I. You want to tell us what you have? You have a
dinosaur.
Those are the ones that you are super excited about.
Excited.
You do. You picked out 2
Dinosaur
ones, didn't you? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the cookie cutter down into the Jello and kind of shake it just a little bit.
Dinosaur. Shake.
And shake it, turn it back and forth just a little bit to get a good cut. and then Mommy will help you get it out. I'm sorry, bud. I didn't mean to hit your hand. Oh, you wanted to see the dinosaur word again? Do you want to tell us which dinosaur ones you have?
One.
You have a T-Rex.
Yeah. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
And you have a...
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. You're right. You're super excited about those. Okay, Sophie, would you like to go first?
First. Yeah. Oh! Whoa.
We're going to take turns.
Turn.
And Sophie's going to go first. So we're going to push it down.
Down.
And then shake it. Look how she's turning it.
Turns.
From side to side to get a good cut. And then we're going to take it out. Hold on. We have to wait, buddy.
Wait.
We're waiting our turn. Ooh. I think JoJo saw another dog and got excited, didn't she?
Yep.
All right, so we'll go ahead and I guess we'll go ahead. Usually I wait until the end and then just take them all out, but we can go ahead and we'll get in there and take it out. Oops. All right, there's your flower.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
Flower.
Oh, you don't have a flower.
Flower.
Sophie has a flower. Which one?
No one. One.
Which one do you want to do first? Which cookie cutter? Stegosaurus?
Yeah.
You want Stegosaurus first?
Yeah.
Okay. It is your turn to go, Luke.
Go.
You get to go. Say it's my turn.
My turn.
My turn, isn't it? Okay. So I'm going to line it up for you. Okay, now push it down.
Go, go, go. And it's
Good job.
down.
Okay, now do you remember what Mommy said? We have to turn it
Turn.
kind of from side to side.
Yep, and look.
You want to do the T-Rex next? Yep. Hold on. We're going to take this one out. I'm trying to decide the best angle so I don't ruin it. Ah! Doing this one-handed is a challenge. Uh-oh! What happened? I think the T-Rex took a bite out of the Stegosaurus.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oops.
Oops.
Is that okay though? Oh. Okay, hold on.
It's my turn.
It is Sophie's turn. We have to wait. It's Sophie's turn.
I'm gonna do my. Oh!
All right, but that just gives you a preview of what you can do when it comes time to actually make the cookie cutters. And then you can do all kinds of commenting and talking when they are actually getting to eat the Jello, right? It's going to be delicious. All right, thanks for watching. Please look below and subscribe and comment. Thank you.